Passing your driver's exam is a milestone that opens up new realms of freedom and opportunity, yet the path to success can feel daunting. However, rather than viewing the process as an intimidating hurdle, consider it an empowering venture into mastering a vital life skill. The key lies in preparation, both mental and practical, combined with a clear understanding of what examiners seek. The driving test is less about robotic perfection and more about demonstrating responsible driving behaviors in real-world scenarios. Many novices fall into the trap of focusing solely on technical skills like parallel parking or three-point turns. While these are essential, integrating habits such as frequent mirror checks, maintaining safe following distances, and anticipating road hazards can significantly boost your confidence and reliability behind the wheel. 1. Understanding the driver's test. Understanding the driver's test is paramount to your success on exam day. It isn't just about knowing how to maneuver a vehicle, it's an assessment of your ability to make safe, informed decisions in real-time traffic scenarios. Familiarize yourself with the specific components that comprise the test, from parallel parking and lane changes to emergency stops and freeway merges. Remember, each jurisdiction may have slightly different criteria, so it's essential to get acquainted with your local regulations and requirements. Beyond the mechanics of driving, mental preparedness plays a crucial role. Confidence stems from consistent practice, but also from understanding the psychological aspects of taking a test under supervision. Recognize that anxiety can cloud judgment, therefore, developing coping strategies such as deep breathing exercises or visualization techniques can be incredibly beneficial. By demystifying what may seem like an arbitrary set of challenges into manageable tasks rooted in safety principles, you empower yourself not only to pass but excel in your driver's exam. 2. Preparing for the written exam. Navigating the labyrinth of road signs, traffic laws, and safety regulations may seem daunting at first, but approaching your written driver's exam with a strategic mindset can dramatically enhance your chances of success. Begin by breaking down the study material into digestible segments. This not only helps you retain information more effectively but also alleviates the stress associated with cramming. Utilize a variety of resources such as official DMV manuals, online practice tests, and interactive apps that simulate real exam conditions to bolster your preparation from multiple angles. Additionally, develop a consistent study schedule tailored to fit your daily routine. Instead of marathon sessions that could lead to burnout, aim for shorter, focused intervals where you can absorb information without overwhelming yourself. Embrace active learning techniques like flashcards or mnemonic devices for memorizing critical rules and signs. These tools transform passive reading into an engaging mental workout that cements knowledge more firmly in your mind. Remember that building confidence comes from understanding, not rote memorization, so take the time to grasp how each rule or principle applies in practical scenarios you'll encounter on the road. 3. Mastering basic driving maneuvers. Mastering basic driving maneuvers is about more than just passing a driver's exam, it's the foundation of confident, safe road behavior. Take parallel parking for instance, this isn't merely about fitting into tight spaces, but also handling real-world situations like crowded urban areas and limited parking spots at events. Remember, success in parallel parking starts long before the twist of your wheel. It begins with correctly positioning your car, understanding your spatial limitations, and maintaining calm precision throughout. On the other hand, mastering three-point turns can significantly reduce anxiety when navigating through narrow streets or turning around on dead-end roads. This maneuver requires clear judgment of turning radius and effective steering control to execute smoothly. Additionally, perfecting lane changes ensures you adapt seamlessly to traffic flow without causing disruptions or endangering yourself and others. Always signal well in advance and maintain steady speed while checking blind spots meticulously, small yet critical actions that elevate you from a novice to an adept driver ready for any road scenario. 4. Practice, practice, practice. Without a doubt, one of the most critical elements to acing your driver's exam is relentless practice. However, it's not just about logging hours behind the wheel. Purposeful, mindful practice can dramatically heighten your driving competence. Focus on mastering challenging maneuvers such as parallel parking and three-point turns, which often stump even experienced drivers. Don't merely go through the motions, focus intently on specific aspects like mirror checks, signaling, and maintaining proper speed. Think of every driving session as an opportunity to simulate real-world scenarios you might face during the exam. Drive in varying conditions, rainy weather, heavy traffic, or unfamiliar roads, to build confidence and adaptability. The road isn't just for cruising, it's your dynamic classroom where each drive embeds muscle memory and sharpens judgment. Consistent practice breeds familiarity with subtle nuances like road signs placement or handling unexpected pedestrian crossings, making you more than ready for whatever challenges lie ahead during test day. 5. Stay calm and confident. Staying calm and confident during your driver's exam can make a world of difference. Nervousness is a natural feeling when you're being evaluated, but allowing it to take over can cloud your judgment and cause simple mistakes. One effective strategy is controlled breathing. Take deep, steady breaths to help anchor yourself in the present moment. Redirecting your focus from potential errors to executing each task with precision can shift your mindset from doubt to assuredness. Another critical aspect of maintaining confidence is thorough preparation. Knowing that you've practiced diverse driving scenarios offers a comforting cushion against exam day jitters. Visualize success. Picture yourself seamlessly executing turns, acing parking, and smoothly navigating intersections. Visualization techniques can program your brain for positive outcomes, reinforcing the belief that you're fully capable of passing this test. By anchoring into both mental calm and trained skill, you set the stage for a performance that reflects your true abilities rather than succumbed nerves. 6. Tips for test day success. One of the most critical steps for test day success is mastering the art of staying calm under pressure. Stress can cloud your judgment and cause you to make avoidable mistakes. Practice mindfulness or deep breathing exercises before your test to help keep nerves at bay. Remember, a calm mind equates to better focus and sharper decision-making skills, which are invaluable during your driving exam. Another tip is to ensure you're familiar with both the vehicle you'll be driving and the specific rules of the testing location. Familiarize yourself with all controls and adjustments in your car, mirrors, seat settings, signals, to reduce distractions. Review local traffic laws that might differ from general practices. Nuances like turn signal use in roundabouts can vary by region and could make or break your score. Combining thorough preparation with relaxation techniques sets a solid foundation for navigating test day successfully. 7. Your path to passing. The road to passing your driver's exam may be winding, but with the right insights and dedication, it is achievable. A systematic approach, incorporating consistent practice, focused learning sessions, and real-time feedback, will solidify your skills and build the confidence necessary for success. Remember that mistakes are part of the learning curve. View them as opportunities to grow rather than setbacks. Moreover, maintaining a positive mindset throughout your preparation is crucial. Visualize yourself acing the exam and take deep breaths to manage any pre-test anxiety. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep motivation levels high. Embrace this journey not just as a means to pass an exam but as a pivotal step towards becoming a responsible driver who values safety on the road.